The best cheeses to top your nachos. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Top Notch Delicacy. There's nothing more satisfying than dipping a sturdy and lightly salted tortilla chip into a bowl of hot melted cheese. Double points if there are toppings like sour cream, ground beef, guacamole, and pico de gallo. But who am I kidding? It's all about finding the best cheese for nachos that really matters, and the most optimal choices may surprise you. If I'm being honest, the Orange Day Glow nacho cheese found at stadiums, cafeterias, and carnivals is not really cheese I can get behind. Okay, maybe it started off as cheese, but the preservatives and stabilizers render the cheese sauce a little sad. And don't get me started on the chips that fall apart mid-dip. Number 1, cheddar. Cheddar reigns as one of the best cheeses to include in your nacho recipe. A young cheddar cheese, one that hasn't been aged, will have the best meltability due to its high moisture content. The sheet pan cheesesteak nachos from the Host to Toast uses shredded cheddar cheese. Try a sharp cheddar for a bit of tang. Number 2, American. Put down a single slices of yellow American cheese you used to find in your lunchbox. These chorizo nachos with white queso sauce from the kitchen use the white American cheese, which creates a silky sauce often seen in your favorite Tex-Mex restaurant. Number 3, Monterey Jack. If you can't find white American cheese, try substituting Monterey Jack, a semi-soft cheese. How sweet is it that it nails this roasted green chili queso dip? Number 4, Pepper Jack. Looking for a little extra spice? Try this loaded nacho recipe from What's Gaby Cooking featuring pepper jack cheese. Pepper jack is similar to Monterey Jack in the addition of chili peppers like jalapenos. Number 5, mozzarella. Nachos with stringy, melty mozzarella cheese are definitely a thing. This perfect microwave nachos recipe from I Am a Food blog is not only delicious, but fast to prepare too. Number 6, provolone. Tex-Mex meets Italian cuisine. These Italian-style nachos with provolone cheese sauce, turkey Italian sausage, and roasted red peppers from Cooking for Keeps is a nice alternative. Number 7, queso quesadilla. One of the best melting cheeses is queso quesadilla, a nutty, semi-soft cheese that is featured in Olivier Cook's loaded guacamole nachos. Number 8, blue cheese. Blue cheese is one of these cheeses that you either love or hate. If you've had less than a pleasant experience with it, then steaking blue cheese cast iron skillet nachos from fresh off the grid is sure to convert you. Number 9, cream cheese. Cream cheese makes a silky smooth and rich cheese sauce when combined with other cheeses like sharp cheddar. Try this queso cheese sauce recipe from a spicy perspective to see for yourself. Number 10, Velveeta. You'll never look at a block of Velveeta the same after making damn delicious beef queso dip with salsa verde, green chilies, and Monterey Jack cheese. Number 11, Gouda. Meal Heels and Cocktails may have just won me over with its loaded Gouda chorizo nachos. The best part about the recipe is that it is so quick and easy to make. You can whip it up whenever you're feeling that nacho craving. Number 12, Brie. Kick up your dish up a notch with these elevated nachos made with luxurious brie. Who knew brie could make such a tasty hand food? This recipe from Coupon Clip and Cook is scented with olives, which pairs extremely well with brie. Number 13, goat cheese. Goat cheese may be an unfamiliar suggestion when you talk about nachos. However, none other than Rachel Ray makes it possible with her recipe for these delectably tasty goat cheese nachos. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the next 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.